If you want to take high-resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy A27, all you have to do is you need to open the camera, and then over here the quickest way to take photos using the highest resolution possible, if we talk just about that, then here at the top in the photo mode we have the amount of megapixels that the photo mode is going to use at a given moment. So currently I have 12 megapixels enabled, and I can tap on it in order to switch to 50 megapixels. More megapixels, more or higher resolution actually. So this is how we can easily increase the resolution for your photos that you take using the camera. Now, in addition to that, of course, we have the aspect ratio, which also has an impact on the resolution of the photo. The 3:4 aspect ratio provides the highest resolution possible, but I believe that if we switch to anything else, the number of megapixels is going to change as well. Actually, no, it doesn't. So yeah, if you made any changes in here in the aspect ratio, then you might want to switch back to 3:4 because it's going to provide the highest resolution possible. Now let's also check out if we have 50 megapixels available in the Pro mode, and it seems that no, unfortunately the answer is no. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.